morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Pop Milk. Today I'm up in North Louisiana, and my targets for today are, of course, speckled kings, prairie kings, milk snake if I can scrounge one up. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of milk snake spots up in this region, but I do have one that's been fairly reliable, so we'll stop there later today and see if something pops up there. But mainly today I just want to get out and try to make the most of what's really turned into a hot spring. I've never had a May like this that it just got so hot so quickly. Usually I can rely on being able to flip stuff until the end of the month, and it's not really happening this year. I'm really kind of actually concerned if I'm actually going to be able to flip a whole lot today, but we'll see what shows up. So this morning I'm going to be hitting some old chicken coops, and around these I find a lot of prairie king snakes, speckled kings, canebrakes, cottonmouths, rat snakes, all the usual kind of stuff. That's where I'll start the morning, and then this afternoon, probably around noon, I hope to get out to some pine snake habitat. And I realize that it's very unlikely to find a pine snake, but I am going to put in a little bit of effort and see if I can't turn one up. If not, there's some other upland species that should show up. Of course, coach whips. There's also some really neat black caligaster in that region, as well as Slowinski's corn snakes. So those could always pop up. But I'm at some coops right now, and yeah, let's get ready to flip. Big old rat snake shed. Yeah. It's almost like everybody's shed and gone, but I won't give up hope just yet. Oh wait, that was a buttermilk. Right there. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's cool. They look a little bit different in Louisiana than they do around northeast Houston where I find them. This is so cool. I think I'll have to get some photos of this guy. Oh, this is a girl, and it looks like, is she gravid? It's really hard for me to tell right now, but it looks like she might be. Wow, all right. Very cool. I'm actually surprised she's as slow as she is this morning. All right, come on, girl. I can grab a bag. Oh well. There you go. Man, that's cool. Really neat looking. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna have to go back and get a bag and not leave my hook. Yeah, that's neat. This is the first buttermilk that I've seen at this spot. Usually it's just king snakes, prairie kings, and canebrakes. Oh, another buttermilk. Oof. Oh, you need to shed. Kind of another. This is an ugly one. It might look better after a shed, but really not by much. It's kind of neat. Very dark looking, almost like it's got some black racer influence. And this one also looks fairly gravid. I'm just gonna get a little cell shot real quick, and then let we go on our way. I think I'll pass on pictures of you. Cool though. Go to see another buttermilk. Looks like that's kind of the name of the game today. So far. Hopefully that changes. Is that a Callie? It is. Oh, sorry, Callie. Oh, man. Oop, my ants. Oh, man, too bad she's in shed. Wow, what a chunk. Oh, you smell terrible, though. Absolutely terrible. Are you another gravid female? Or are you just... Alright, I don't really know, but man, you're kind of wildin'. Ugh. That's gross, girl. Or dude. I think it's another girl. That's usually who it is this time of year. Oh, man, this is foul. Oh, I'm forgetting to do my temp gun. Okay. Your body is 77. 80? Is that right? 76? Okay. And your cover, 74. And your spot, also 74. No surprise there. Well, I would have liked to see this snake out of shed, and not close enough to finishing for me to help her out and see her today. But yeah, first lamp of the day. We got 2 buttermilks and this caligaster so far. Okay, that's pretty gross. Let's go ahead and gross out the audience. That's cool. Yeah, well, hopefully we have the opportunity to see a couple more. And this isn't the last one for the day. But yeah, glad to see her. See a Callie today. And if she's using this, then I imagine there's plenty of chances left around here to see another one or two. So let's go ahead and let her go. Get back under your tin, and we'll get the show on the road. Very cool. Oh man, I gotta tie my shoes. Oh, there's another big Callie. Ah, this one's also in shed. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a in situ temperature. I'm gonna mess with this one, 74.8. Your spot is also 74.8. And a little in situ phone shot. Okay, well, not the best looking Callie. Looks like he's still asleep. Man, look at all, he's kind of scarred up. Really beat up here. Wonder what kind of battles he's gotten into to cause that. And that might have been why he's in shed right now. He's trying to heal up from all that. A little bit closer view. Guys. There we go. Nice. Well, good to see another one. Just want one that looks decent condition. Alright, he's actually sitting right into that. I think 62, 63, that's interesting. And the 10, 75. Yeah, everything's about 74, 75 this morning. Which makes sense, that's our air temperature. And it's pretty humid. That ought to keep the ground and the air actually pretty similar. Okay. this stuff, it's always pretty good. It's just kind of a pain to get through. Look at that cottonmouth. That's neat. He's really red. That's good. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's almost like it's erythristic or something. That's neat. Really red. Oh, hey, buddy. All right, let's go see who he's hanging out with. Hopefully, he's got a nice Cali or hognose buddy or canebrake. Okay, it smells like cottonmouth. Kind of have to toss that over right now. Come on, Cotton. Yeah. Man, he's really orange. That's neat. Let's get a photo real quick. Come on, bud. Hey. All right. Oh, cottonmouth. Not really a huge fan of those. They're stinky. Really, no buddies, huh? Oh, there's a buddy. Is that a hognose? Nope, it's a rat. Darn. This might be that same really nice rat snake from last year. Whew, boy, it smells horrible. All right, there's old Cotton. Trying to step on his tin. Oh, man. Neat, big ol' beautiful black rat. Smells horrible, but nice to see. Man, real thick. I feel like this is the same one that I found last year. Looks really similar, but man, it's really doing well. He's very healthy, very strong. Man, good to see you. Good to see you doing so well. Man. You're a beast, aren't you? All right, well, let's get some cell shots real quick. Let me see your face. Cool. All right, bud. Well, I'll let you and Cottonmouth get back to your business. But nice to see you today. All right. Whew. It's like only 8:30. I'm really sweating. All right, so that's when they moved. Okay, so this site has been absolutely one of my favorites, simply because I set it up and it's been wildly successful. So let's see who's using this stuff today. Okay, and I'm pretty sure Armin and Brennan moved this last time because it was getting so tough to flip it. Ah, it's actually settled in pretty well for only being a couple months old. Nice. And that was the set in here that king had been using last year. Okay. That. Man, mosquitoes are getting me. Okay, any rattlesnakes sitting out? Oh, hey, King. Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Man, look at you, you're sharp. You're sitting at 78. Your ground is also 78. Wow, good looking. Oh, I'm kind of pinching you, aren't I? All right, there we go. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Top of that, 81. You look cool, man. You're a good looker. Nice high sides and a greenish chin. Pretty cool, man. What a pretty king. Really pretty. All right, let's see who else is under here. We hadn't even gotten all the way through yet. That's awesome, man. Oof, you're getting me. Juicy. Oh, that's cool. What a beautiful king. I'm gonna have to get some photos of this guy. Looks like he'd actually cooperate pretty well and looks really nice. Oh, you are just great. Oh, wow. Oh. Man, what a beautiful little king. All right, cool. Well, glad to see this guy. I'm gonna get some photos of him and let him go. But yeah, let's check the other cover real quick, see who else is around, and if we're gonna take photos of anybody else. Nice. Look at that. That is a huge Cali. All right, let's get the temperature. 88. Wow. You are a chunk. And you look pretty good. There's 88. All right, anybody else under here with you? Alright, then this. Ugh. 95. Okay. Here's the ground temperature. I don't know if I got it. 86. Okay. That's gross. Why do you guys always do this? Whew. Oh, come on. Wow. What a monster. Look at the size of this thing. Golly. What a great gaster. Is this another gravid female or is this a big male? Man, I can't tell. But God, it's fat. It's so awesome. I love when they're this big. That's cool. Almost black. It's more of a grayish brown. Still see a little bit of pattern. Man, that's cool. All right, let's get a. Oh, ugh, come on. A hand shot first. Cool. Man, what a chunk. You're awesome. Well, I'm gonna have to get some photos of this guy. That is great. I love caligaster. Oh, wow. You're awesome. Just so big. A rat slaying machine. Golly, what a treat. What a real treat. All right, well, I'm gonna keep flipping and then get some photos of this guy because yeah, it's one of the ones I wanted to see. It's nice. Well, I mean, not super nice looking, but it's not in shed, so that's it's a big step up. And there's a lot of cool stuff around here to photograph against, so that's cool. All right, guys, so before I let this girl go, I just wanted to get a little bit more video showing her off. Man, she's a nice, big, beautiful Cali. I just absolutely love these things. Look at her doing that head twitch. Alright, she seems kind of nervous. I'm going to let her go ahead and get back under her tin. But man, it was really nice to see her. There you go. Later. Okay, so a little bit more of an abrupt ending to the video than I wanted there to be. That big fat Cali was actually the last snake that I saw that day. I ended up herping until probably 6:30. I went up and looked at the pine snake stuff. I hiked around there for a little bit, and then I went to a spot where we expect to find pygmy rattlesnakes, and I hiked around there for a little bit. Flipped a lot of stuff, and there was just literally nothing other than a couple of roadkill snakes after that. So unfortunately, you know, not as many snakes as I'd hoped to get that day, but still pretty good day. But I also wanted to take a minute now to address the fact that as of now, I have eclipsed 1,000 subscribers, and for me that's a pretty big milestone. I've been doing these videos for a while now, and I don't really seem to please the algorithm all that often, but things have kind of picked up a lot this year. We've got about 300 new subscribers this year, and that 1,000 mark is kind of a big deal because of course I can monetize the channel and get some return on my time investment, you know, so to speak. Because it does take a lot of time and effort to put these videos together, and seeing enough people subscribe and watch the videos, and to get your comments on the videos, you know, I really appreciate you guys as the audience, and I appreciate y'all's feedback, and I appreciate you guys watching the videos and sharing them with friends, and you know, and whoever may be interested. But yeah, so this is, you know, a big milestone, and I'm excited for it, and I hope it's just the first of many milestones on the way to a you know, larger journey. So I thank you guys for your support, and I'm excited to see where this goes. But anyhow, until next time, we'll catch you on the next one.
That's fucking beautiful.